There's something special about Colby cheese. It's not just another cheese, it's a symbol of American culinary tradition. Originating from the small town of Colby, Wisconsin, this cheese has a rich history that dates back to the late 19th century. It's mild, creamy, and undeniably American. The texture is smooth and the flavor is gentle, making it a favorite for many. Whether you're enjoying it on a cracker or melting it over a burger, Colby cheese brings a unique touch to any dish. But is it the best cheese? This question often leads to lively discussions among cheese enthusiasts. Some argue that its mild flavor makes it less exciting compared to sharper cheeses, while others appreciate its versatility and subtlety. That's a question that sparks passionate debates among cheese lovers. At markets and gatherings, you'll often find people sharing their thoughts on what makes a cheese truly exceptional. For some, it's the complexity of flavors, while for others, it's the comfort and familiarity that Colby provides. Colby, with its approachable flavor and melting perfection, holds a special place in the world of cheese. Its ability to melt smoothly makes it a popular choice for grilled sandwiches and burgers, adding a creamy texture that enhances the overall taste. Its bright orange hue makes it instantly recognizable. This distinctive color comes from annatto, a natural coloring agent which not only gives Colby its signature look but also adds to its appeal. This cheese is a staple in kitchens across the United States. From family dinners to festive gatherings, Colby cheese is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes. Its mild flavor makes it a hit with both kids and adults. Join us as we explore the wonderful world of Colby cheese. We'll take you on a journey through its origins, its production process, and the many ways it can be enjoyed. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to Colby, there's always something new to discover. We'll uncover its history, its production, and its unique flavor. From the traditional methods used by early cheesemakers to the modern techniques employed today, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for this American classic. Get ready to decide for yourself. Is Colby cheese the best cheese out there? As you taste and explore, you'll form your own opinion. Whether you prefer it on its own, paired with fruits and nuts, or melted into your favorite dish, Colby cheese offers a delightful experience that's hard to beat. The world of cheese is vast and varied. From the rolling hills of France to the lush pastures of Wisconsin, cheese has been a beloved staple in many cultures for centuries. Each region boasts its own unique varieties, crafted with care and tradition. From sharp cheddars to pungent blues, the diversity in cheese types is astounding. Cheddar, with its sharp, tangy flavor, has long been a favorite in many households. Blue cheese, with its distinct veins and strong aroma, offers a bold experience for the adventurous palate. There's a cheese for every palate. Whether you prefer the creamy texture of brie, the nutty notes of Gruyere, or the crumbly goodness of feta, the options are endless. Cheese festivals and markets around the world celebrate this diversity, allowing enthusiasts to sample and savor a wide array of flavors. So, where does Colby fit into this delicious landscape? Originating from the United States, Colby cheese was first created in the late 19th century in Colby, Wisconsin. It was developed as a milder alternative to cheddar, with a softer texture and a more subtle flavor profile. Colby is often categorized as a mild cheese. Its gentle flavor makes it a versatile choice for a variety of dishes, from sandwiches to casseroles. The cheese is known for its slightly open texture and its ability to melt beautifully, making it a favorite for grilled cheese sandwiches and cheeseburgers. This doesn't mean it lacks flavor. On the contrary, Colby offers a rich, creamy taste that can stand on its own or complement other ingredients. Its mildness allows it to pair well with a variety of foods, from fruits and nuts to meats and wines. Instead, it offers a gentle, approachable taste that appeals to a wide audience. Families often choose Colby for its kid-friendly flavor, while adults appreciate its versatility and subtlety. It's a cheese that can be enjoyed by everyone, from the youngest to the oldest. But can a mild cheese truly be considered the best? This question has sparked much debate among cheese aficionados. At cheese competitions and events, judges often look for complexity and depth of flavor, qualities that are typically found in aged and stronger cheeses. Some cheese enthusiasts argue that the best cheese should be bold and complex. They believe that a cheese's greatness lies in its ability to surprise and challenge the palate, offering layers of flavor that unfold with each bite. Aged cheeses, with their intense and sometimes pungent profiles, often fit this description. Others believe that a truly great cheese is one that can be enjoyed by everyone. They argue that accessibility and versatility are key factors in determining a cheese's worth. A cheese that can be used in a variety of dishes and enjoyed by a wide range of people has its own unique value. Colby, with its balanced flavor and wide appeal, certainly makes a strong case for the latter. Its ability to blend seamlessly into different culinary contexts while still offering a satisfying taste makes it a beloved choice for many. Whether it's the best cheese is subjective, but there's no denying that Colby has carved out a special place in the hearts of cheese lovers everywhere. Every cheese has a story. Each wheel, each slice, carries with it a rich history and a unique tale of its own. From the lush pastures where the cows graze to the meticulous hands of the cheesemakers, every step in the process adds a chapter to the cheese's narrative. And among these stories, one stands out as a true Wisconsin original. Colby's tale begins in the heart of America's dairyland, Wisconsin. This state, known for its rolling hills and fertile farmlands, has long been a hub for dairy farming and cheesemaking. The landscape, dotted with picturesque farms and grazing cattle, provides the perfect backdrop for the creation of some of the world's finest cheeses. It's here, amidst the verdant fields and hard-working farmers, that the story of Colby cheese unfolds. In 1885, a young cheesemaker named Joseph Steinwan created this unique cheese in the town of Colby, Wisconsin. Joseph was a visionary, a man with a passion for innovation and a deep love for his craft. He saw potential in the traditional methods of cheesemaking but believed there was room for improvement, for something new and exciting. With determination and creativity, he set out to create a cheese that would stand apart from the rest. Steinwan's creation was a departure from the traditional cheddar being made at the time. While cheddar was known for its sharpness and crumbly texture, Joseph wanted to craft a cheese that was different, one that would appeal to a broader range of palates. He envisioned a cheese that was softer, moister, and milder. A cheese that could be enjoyed by everyone, from young children to seasoned cheese connoisseurs. He experimented with the cheese-making process, resulting in a cheese that was softer, moister, and milder than its cheddar cousin. By tweaking the traditional methods and introducing new techniques, Joseph was able to create a cheese that had a unique texture and flavor profile. The result was Colby cheese, a cheese that was not only delicious but also versatile, perfect for a variety of culinary uses. Colby cheese quickly gained popularity throughout Wisconsin and beyond. Word of this new, delightful cheese spread like wildfire, and soon, people from all over were eager to try it. Markets and stores couldn't keep it on the shelves, and cheesemakers across the state began to adopt Joseph's methods, producing their own versions of Colby cheese. It became a staple in households and a favorite at gatherings and events. Its mild flavor and smooth texture made it an instant hit. Colby cheese was perfect for snacking, cooking, and entertaining. It paired well with a variety of foods and beverages, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Whether enjoyed on its own, melted in a sandwich, or served on a cheese platter, Colby cheese brought joy and satisfaction to all who tasted it. Today, Colby remains a testament to American ingenuity and a beloved part of Wisconsin's cheese-making heritage. The legacy of Joseph Steinwan lives on in every wheel of Colby cheese produced. Modern cheesemakers continue to honor his innovative spirit, using both traditional and contemporary methods to create this beloved cheese. Festivals and events celebrate Colby's rich history, and it remains a favorite among cheese lovers everywhere. As we savor each bite, we are reminded of the creativity, dedication, and passion that went into creating this Wisconsin original. Crafting Colby, from curds to creamy perfection. What makes Colby cheese so special? The answer lies in its unique production process. Like cheddar, Colby starts with fresh cow's milk, but that's where the similarities end. During the cheese-making process, the curds are washed with cold water. This step removes lactose and halts the acidification process, resulting in Colby's characteristic mild flavor and smooth texture. The washed curds are then pressed into molds, giving Colby its familiar shape. Finally, the cheese is aged, typically for a shorter period than cheddar. This shorter aging time contributes to Colby's youthful, fresh flavor. Colby versus the Contenders, a cheese showdown. How does Colby stack up against other popular cheeses? Let's compare it to two cheeseboard staples, cheddar and brie. Cheddar, with its sharp bite and crumbly texture, is a bolder cheese than Colby. Brie, with its bloomy rind and creamy interior, offers a luxurious, indulgent experience. Colby, on the other hand, occupies a happy medium. It's milder than cheddar, making it a great choice for those who prefer a less intense flavor. It's also more accessible than brie, both in terms of price and availability.